Yellow. I know. Okay. Got it. Mom, I'm in the middle of something. All right, I'll call you back. Hey, welcome to this episode where we're going to take a Subway sub and bring it up a notch. So one of my favorite things to do, and one of the best, I think, on-the-go foods is a Subway sub. The footlong Italian, who doesn't love a footlong Italian, is a vegan roll. So what you do is you order the footlong Italian, you tell them to skip the meat, skip the cheese, nothing but veggies. Just load this up with veggies. That's what I have here today. What's great about this is that everybody standing in line behind you is toasting their subs, getting cheese on their subs, getting meat on their subs, and they look at you like, woohoo, look at Mr. Healthy, right? Now we're gonna change that right now. So we've got our sub, which is the 12-inch Italian, loaded up with the veggies, made by a Subway sandwich artist. And we shall reveal their craftsmanship here. And so from here, if you can recall back to when you would have your sub made, the next thing they would add would be the meat. What we're using today is the Tofurky bologna. This bologna style Tofurky is amazing. I mean, I've only recently discovered it. It's very addictive. This one package is something like $4 or $5. It says it's 3 servings. It's 1 serving for me. So they have a bologna style. They have a hickory smoked. There's a lot of incredible vegan meats out there. Tofurky happens to be one of my favorites right now. Now we've got our sub fully exposed. We're taking our meat, and again, this is your chance to act like a Subway sandwich artist. We'll put the meat on our sub. Our bologna. Vegan, of course. And then Subway does this really cool way of cutting their cheese into little triangles. That way, of course, they can count their cheese inventory. So what we're using for cheese today is the Follow Your Heart Smoked Gouda. This is the best vegan cheese out there right now. In terms of the sliced cheeses, there are some gourmet cheeses out there like Miyoko's Kitchen and Kite Hill, and Treeline is really good. But this is by far, I think, the best sliced cheese. It's great on this sub. So what we're gonna do from here is take our little mayo dispensing unit and add mayo, just like the sandwich artist would. And there you go. So you've taken what was once possibly a slightly healthy fast food option, and you've brought it home and you've skeptical veganed it. So here's our delicious sub with our Tofurky bologna, our Follow Your Heart smoked Gouda cheese, and our Just Mayo mayonnaise. Okay, so I'll take a bite of this. I'll say something about it, obviously, because I'm biting it. I'll tell them to comment, like, and subscribe. What are some of your favorite fast? Oh, we're still rolling. No one said cut. Cut. We have our Subway sub here ready to go. I actually love this. This is my favorite thing to bring home and completely veganize. I want you to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know your favorite fast food vegan hacks. Maybe there's some things I haven't tried yet. Let me know if you've done this before, or let me know when you do this. I would love to have you to comment and tell me what you think. So here we go, going in for a bite. Oh my God. It's so good, it just needs more mayo.